back to another episode of What the Fuck? It's a GTO project. Whew. Lambo doors, you know. So, what are those? GTO has arrived, and yeah, it's gonna be one hell of a project. Micro blisters all over the paintwork. Lack peel everywhere. This is the kind of bullshit we get every single day. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Anyway, so GTO project. Let's have a look. So this is gonna be a full restoration, y'all.
Gorillas, you know.
Ooh.
We are.
Interior.
Good album today.
Get rid of these things. Put the doors back to original. Kyle's got the pleasure of dealing with all this bullshit in here. How do you feel, sir? How do you feel?
Overwhelmed.
Extra brake light because it goes real fast. So yeah, man, we got a lot of work to do. So what I'm gonna do is gonna set the camera up. Today we're just gonna basically, I might not today actually, but when we do start stripping, I'm just gonna set the camera up and start basically tearing it down. Today I think what we're gonna do is just assess the situation, go over it, see what's what, get it up in the air, have a look at the underbody, see if it needs any work doing to the underbody, take the bonnet off, have a look, assess the engine, and then basically just get a plan of action in place, and then yeah, start stripping it down. It's gonna be a lot of work, but hey, should be fun. Should be interesting to see how it looks when it's done. I ain't gonna tell you guys what we're gonna do to it yet in terms of like colors and etc. That will just follow along with the video. But for now, yeah, I'm just gonna assess the situation. Neither myself nor Kyle has ever worked on one of these, so yeah, it's gonna be a fun little project, but super 2000s max power looking right now. But yeah, supposedly this has the active spoiler on it as well, which can be tilted up and down for more downforce.
What the hell was that?